This wire goes to
this end.
Okay, now chase that one.
All ground's got to be in the same place.
Chase Louise.
I know.
We turn back on and be like,
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Maybe
No,
that's
no,
what
no.
that is. Maybe.
No.
I don't know.
no, that's definitely what it is.
He's going to this one over here.
We're gonna be at it tomorrow afternoon.
Yep.
Probably around 2 o'clock Eastern time again. So stay up, buddy. Appreciate it. We can do this. We keep going.
Yeah.
On the East Coast. That's fun out there. So yeah, we were out in the East Coast out in Florida for about 10 years. We decided to come back. We got family out here and some property that we could take care of. So we decided to come on back and take care of it. But we do have our place back there in Florida, which is pretty neat. Oh, come on, Torch. This thing, it works for you?
I know.
Oh, look. Do you do your little twisty on it like you're slam dunking it or
Yes.
something? Hope everyone's doing good out there. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe to your DIY Arch Automotive channel. You're with the man, Mr. Puffin Man over here. He works all the beats for us.
Indeed, I do.
We go live and do our videos and shorts and stuff while he's choosing music. So if y'all need some good beats to rock your subs to, go ahead and check out the Puffin Man on YouTube. And he's got some good music over there. This one goes here. Let's take that one off. Definitely gonna redo these. Cut these fresh right there. And then we'll do what we gotta do, even if we put the loops on these to make them look cool or something, you know?
Yeah.
But we'll be able to chase it down. We'll see what we gotta do.
So. All right.
I think even if we chop it into the line, or it's going down, just open it up right there and put these into it, right? That would work too.
I guess that would work. Yeah.
Instead of chasing it all the way down. Now it gives us enough room. We don't have to go 5 feet out. So I'll go ahead and build this one too.
Good thinking.
You know what? I try to think every once in a while.
Sometimes our brain works.
Nice. Barcode. What's up? Our VW bad cars for car audio. Psh, Volkswagens are the best. My wife had a Volkswagen Golf. Used to have a 15-inch Sherwin Vega in that bad boy. It was sweet. Yeah, Volkswagens are nice cars. You can't deny those cars. I don't know about the systems in them. I've never had them with the stock, but I'm sure it's a nice setup. That was my next choice from a Subaru, but they're just a little too much money for me to get one of those. But I did like how the Volkswagen looked. That was the other one I wanted. So I had a choice between the Ford Focus, Subaru, or a Volkswagen. The Focus was too expensive and it just didn't even handle right. The Volkswagen was a little too expensive. It was nice, but it was just like a little too expensive. And the Subaru was nice. It was fast, all-wheel drive. I ended up getting that one with all the tricks with the leather and the 18-inch wheels and everything. And we put the K&N filter in that bad boy, and that was it.
That thing rocks.
Oh my God, it's incredible. It's fast.
It can move, that's for sure.
Yeah, I'm impressed with it. So go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe. If you guys need vehicle maintenance guides, we got that at the channel on YouTube. We got links for that kind of stuff. If you want to take care of your car, you do it driving. We got that kind of stuff. We got a calendar that we got built, made too. It's super awesome. So if you guys need any of that stuff, go ahead and check us out. Get the torch going again. See if I can melt that straight on there and not look all corny. Come on, torch. Ow, my finger. You're not supposed to torch my finger. Zoinks. All right, this stuff has some glue on it too. Ow, that's hot. I didn't realize it'd be hot if we put the torch on it like
Torch to it.
That's awesome, yo. We're flaming it up, bros.
Flaming, bro.
That's funny. All right, that's our negatives because I put the black wire up on that bad boy. I don't want to forget about that. And our Subaru, we just put a bunch of car audio in there. That had a 6, 8, 9 speaker car system up in there. So we had a bunch of speakers we had to replace out of that. That was a lot of work.
That was a lot of work.
And then half our kit that came didn't have the proper wires. So we ended up having to do all our own wiring on it. So that ended up like doubling and tripling the time to get it done. I wasn't too happy about that, I'll tell you what. All right, let's see if we got a ferrule. Ferrule caps. This will be the other end of our negative. Can't seem to cut straight with it, but that's all right. We'll figure it out. Okay, I can do this. Okay, who's next? Got the ground for this one. Positive for that one too. Let's see, Samuel Valicia power ground remote speaker wires. RCA wires. Yes, all of those are what's going on right now. Yeah, we're doing the RCAs, power, we're redoing the ground. And then we got the wraps that we'll be able to put all this stuff in to make it look nice and tight. So definitely got a lot going on right now. Power, ground, remote, speakers, wire, RCA wires. nice. Remember all the parts you need.
Oh yeah.
It seems like a lot, but it really ain't that much.
So it seems intimidating.
Yeah. Until you start looking at it, you're like, oh, it's pretty basic. You just need to get it cleaned up. But we're gonna get all this spaghetti to disappear for us here eventually. We get this Trailblazer all set up until we got two 15-inch subwoofers that together they're around 12,000 watts,
Yes.
max
Should be.
power.
Yeah.
So we got some good old speakers coming in, some def bounce.
It's here. It's plugged in right here.
Oh, it's all green.
Yeah.
You want to cut that off and put some new? Definitely ain't no joke. Here's the Trailblazer that we'll be working on. So here's what we got going right now. It ain't no joke. Puffman just found him an old wire. We're gonna have to probably move where he's working and chase that ground back down. That's gone. That's why we replaced the hot wire. But I think we got enough to do that. Those are done. That one's done.
I just need to do those two.
You can do those now. If you want to do those, just knock those out real quick. But next, we'll work on the ground. What do we got? This 8,000 car audio installation is not for everybody. Yeah, I guess so. I enjoy it though, actually. Not for everybody. It does look intimidating, that is for sure. Pufferman said the same thing. It just looks like so much. When you look at it, you don't really know where to start. But you just start grabbing wires and start one at a time, take a deep breath and go for it. So here's our amp that we'll be putting in this bad boy.
Spin it around again. Def bounce.
You like how my
nice
lights
light.
work? Look at that.
I thought I put brand new batteries in.
2 lights, these work for like a day and a half.
Ah man.
There she
Def
goes.
7,500 watts.
2 lights.
Boom. And go like that.
That looks impressive right there. That's what we're gonna go for, is right there. That's gonna be our new monster amp.
Ground.
And then those 2 have to go there too.
And then these two?
Yep. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. It's Joe, the DIY Automotive and Construction channel. Pufferman's back there getting his work on.
Yeah.
We got all kinds of stuff going on. We are gonna be getting the subwoofers wired together, finish doing our spaghetti cleanup here, and it should be pretty nice when we get all done. Make sure you guys be a part of the channel. Hit the notifications, that way you know when we're gonna go live. And stick around. You can meet someone from Malaysia. You can meet someone from Colorado. We had someone from Florida out here, so be a part of the channel. If you guys have any questions, everybody gets down in the conversation, and we engage all the time with everybody. So hit the subscribe, hit the like button, let the algorithm help my channel explode and help everybody out, because we're out here trying to make life easier for everybody. It's good to have some fun, have a little bit of laughs, but it's also good to take care of yourself and your vehicles, the things you pay for. Take care of them, make sure your priorities are straight. That way you can have things that last a long time that you put a lot of work into. So that's what we do here at the channel. Got any kind of questions you need a shout out, let us know. If you need some car audio, you can check out our Sonic Electronic link at the YouTube channel itself for DIY Arch Automotive. You can get all kinds of car audio, from extreme car audio to just everyday stuff. You can go grab it. If you need a maintenance guide, you can check that out. Maintenance guides for your vehicle to check your oil, antifreeze, just all the things. So you can have a checklist of when you need to do it. You can set your dates up on there. That's what I got it for. It could be a download. I like to print mine up. I print mine up and have a little sheet that I'll go off of. So if you want that free download, just check out the channel. Share your email. We'll give you the download. I also got a cool 2026 calendar that is got a really nice trucks up in it that we built for everybody to check out. And then we got a safety guide. So if you're working in the garage or you're working on your car or truck, being safe, got your gloves, glasses, don't want to get carbon monoxide poisoning, work around batteries, be safe with the battery acid, all that. Brakes, don't blow the dust on your brakes, all kind of cool tips in there. So be a part of the channel, hit the like button. Appreciate everyone being out there. Puffman's working his tail over here.
Oh yeah, kind of cleaning up now, I think.
Cool. Looking good?
Yeah, it is.
That's cool, man.
Way better than what it looked like earlier.
Yeah, we definitely broke it down.
I think so.
Just that little bit right there was nice.
Yeah, I kind of just organized these and their levels and stuff.
Yeah, that looks good. I like your wood blocks over there.
Thanks.
You've been hanging out with Ghost Man?
Yes, a little bit.
Ghost Man!
We'll elevate.